Hello, and welcome to the Liberty High School Open House for second semester of the 2021 school year. We are thankful to have you with us, and our teachers look forward to sharing with you tonight. This school year has continued on in a way that none of us would have predicted a short year ago. Fortunately, our district is made up of resilient and creative people that have worked hard to provide the best educational opportunities under these difficult circumstances. Our students and staff have taken on the challenges of a hybrid and e-classroom model, and we are proud of the tenacity they have shown. Tonight, this event will take place utilizing a video and Zoom meeting format. Your child received a letter and schedule to complete for your use. In addition, you can access the Zoom links for every teacher and guidance counselor on our school website. Please note that these meetings are for general discussion about the course. Questions regarding individual students should be communicated by email or phone call at another time. Zoom meetings with teachers will begin promptly at 7 p.m. Due to most teachers instructing multiple courses, it is important that parents and guardians log into each session on time. This will prevent you from receiving the wrong information and limit the interruptions to the presentation. The times are as follows. Block 1, 7 to 7:25 p.m. Block 2, 7:30 to 7:55 p.m. Block 3, 8 to 8:25 p.m. and Block 4, 8:30 to 9 p.m. If you need assistance using Zoom, please access the videos cited in the letter your child received. The entire Bethlehem community has been an amazing partner in our quest to provide students with the education and support they need to navigate these unique times. We thank you for your continued support and unwavering pride in Liberty High School. Thank you, and have a wonderful evening.